In Europe, 30% of people rent. Renting is becoming more popular, and 50% of all renters are females. This means that in the EU and the UK, there are 162 million potential female renters between the ages of 15 and 64. Despite this large addressable market, there was no rental platform that focused exclusively on women, until Her Roomies.
Hi, my name is Chiara Fraser, and I'm the co-founder of Her Roomies, the first global go-to platform for all her rental accommodation needs.
As a woman and a female renter myself, I know the issues women face when looking for somewhere to live, and that is why my co-founder Nick and I have created Her Roomies, to give women a solution they can trust. Our research shows that 75% of all females said a female-focused website would be their top selection when looking for a new rental home. To date, we have generated 695,000 euros in rental requests and had 100,000 website users from 120 countries. With our target audience moving every 2 years on average, Her Roomies is able to fill a clear gap in the market.
I'm really excited to be working with them on this amazing project. They make a fantastic team. They're combining energy and experience, passion, business acumen. I've got 2 daughters of my own. I know the rental market through their eyes, and I see the huge opportunity to provide female renters with the security and the opportunity that they really need. It's a very, very large market, and one where a solid approach can make a real positive difference.
Did you know that in most countries, women pay a larger proportion of their salaries in rent for a room or apartment than their male counterparts due to the gender wage gap? Now we know we can't change this, but what Her Roomies can do is give women a platform where they can rent quicker and safer, which means they get better rental opportunities to find their new ideal home, all with one click. Women face more challenges than men when looking for a new rental home. This has led to many women looking for rental advice and opportunities on social media platforms, as they didn't have a space that looked out for them. With Her Roomies, they will no longer need to do this. On Her Roomies, we accompany women throughout their full rental lifetime journey by offering a multitude of rental typologies to suit every want and every need on one platform. Our proprietary algorithm and technology will offer women a comprehensive rental solution with unique add-on services that simplify and enhance their rental experience. We have created a female-focused rental ecosystem and community.
Her Roomies not only offers a solution to women, it also offers a solution to landlords, both private and corporate, because it acts as a segmented, focused sales channel, which no other platform is able to do. We also are able to create unique collaborations with different partners across the city to offer female tenants rental opportunities that no other platform offers.
Her Roomies is extremely scalable and plans to continue growing its footprint across the UK and the EU in 2022. Because of our first mover advantage, we have steadily and organically grown starting in Spain, and now list offers in the UK, Ireland, Portugal, Holland, and Germany, which demonstrates our ability to scale and use the brand and core technology to localize for the markets. With your investment in Her Roomies, we will scale up our marketing and brand positioning, invest in technology and product development, and bring on board key talent to make it all happen. Our team is focused on serving her needs, and her rental accommodation needs are global and growing.
My name is Oriana, I'm from Argentina. I'm traveling to Spain for some working and studying, and I was having a really hard time trying to find the perfect place for me in all kinds of portals, and I finally came across Her Roomies, and they were so helpful and they made me feel so secure. I finally found my perfect place and I couldn't be happier.
I'm looking forward to working with Her Roomies. 60% of all the students are girls, and I think living in a female-only apartment will make them feel strong, confident and safe. So I think it will be a great experience for them.
Hola, buenos días. Soy Alex de Inedit Barcelona. Sí que puedo decir que la acogida y el onboarding han sido geniales, muy buenos. Así que totalmente recomendables.
Thank you for your time and support of Her Roomies, the world's first accommodation rental platform designed for her, for women, for us.